Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, just a few minutes long, I'll show you a simple and healthy oat bread recipe. First, I added 2 cups of oats into a bowl and poured in 1 cup of warm water, letting it soak until absorbed. After a few minutes, I added a bit more warm water since the oats had soaked it all up. Then I mixed in yeast and whole spelt flour. After that, I added salt, ground flaxseed, coriander powder, cumin, and anise. I kneaded the dough and let it rest until it rose. Next, I spread it onto a tray and cut it into small pieces so it bakes evenly inside. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius. At first, the inside of the oat bread may seem slightly soft or underbaked when it comes out of the oven, but as it cools down, the texture sets and becomes perfectly firm. Oat bread is rich in fiber, supports digestion, and is great for heart health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.